Hello, guys. Good day to you all. Okay, listen to this headline that surfaced in the early hours of today, February 24th, 2023. The headline says Obasanjo blocked trucks carrying 1.5 million Chadians from entering Nigeria to vote APC. All right, this very update was said by Charlie Boy, our own Charlie Boy, aka Area Father. He was the one that spilled this information as of late night yesterday, February 23, 2023. All right. Coming to the body of the headline, it says popular Nigerian actor and activist Charlie Boy, better known as Area Father, has caused a stir online after reporting that ex-Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo stopped 1.5 million Chadians from entering Nigeria. The actor took to his official Instagram page on Thursday night, 23rd February 2023, and shared a lengthy explaining how the former president of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo, broke these immigrants. Okay, seeing on his Instagram the way he illustrated the whole thing, he said Obasanjo received a call from a junior immigration officer, in brackets, name withheld, just like to say anonymous call, okay, that unknown 100 trucks carrying over 1 million Chadians got access to the Nigerian border and were heading to Kaduna. Okay, it was said that Obasanjo responded immediately around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. That is yesterday, being 23rd February 2023. Okay, it was said that Obasanjo called immigration boss, but no response from him. Obasanjo now asked his personal security officials to block all the roads leading to Kaduna, and finally, the trucks were captured. The trucks had no plate number and have nearly 1 million Chadians, all with Nigerian PVC, when they were interrogated. They pretended not to hear English. Obasanjo ordered that the PVC be collected and destroyed immediately. Okay, still on the matter, it was said that the Chad president was phoned immediately by Obasanjo, and he denied knowing about such incidents. Since there was no place to keep such multitude of people, the trucks were ordered to turn back to Chad. Okay, man, this is this is a very heavy one. This is a very heavy one. I think this calls for a strict awareness and strict consciousness to be woke, because a whole lot of things is about to go down. A whole lot of hidden things that they want to to inject into this very election day. A whole lot of negativities they want to to put in place so that they will maneuver the whole system and make the whole system to come out inadequately, and to favor them, but God day, God day. Finally, we are heading somewhere. They always say there is light at the end of every tunnel. I think this is it. This is the high time. The whole thing is coming clear in this. It's like an end time for all these devilish politicians in this country. all their atrocities, all their evil deeds, all their routine displays in other elections are beginning to come out. We are beginning to see what they are, what they truly are. Yes, they are coming out in their element, and we are seeing them. It is no more business as usual. Everything is being exposed. You know, it is now a game changer. 2023 game changer. The politics in this country has already been changed. It's not about that their own system have been formatted. It has been scanned. It has been resetted. You know, so everything has gone back to default setting. A new pattern has emerged. And this new pattern has come with Mr. Gregory Peter Obi. All hell the next commander-in-chief of armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. All hell the landlord of the Aso come May, 2023. Peter Obi. Okay, still on updates coming from Charlie Boy, aka Area Father. Okay, he said that last few days, Tinubu sent 78 men to Obasanjo's house, begging him to reverse Obi's endorsement. Okay, this same guy, Area Father, aka Charlie Boy, took to his Instagram page and said that Tinubu begged Obasanjo to endorse him. He went ahead to say he sent a whole lot of people, like 78 people, to his house. So, according to Charlie Boy here, he said that Obasanjo highlighted that the only thing that can stop P2B from winning the 2023 election is only when they rig him out. But Obasanjo, is here to show the world and Nigerian that once a soldier is always a soldier. It will be impossible to rig this election under his watch. This is Obasanjo saying. He went ahead to say the history he's about to create with P2B will forever remembered even after he's gone. He will bring out his last strength and power to safeguard Nigeria through Obi. It is no longer Obi, but him. This is Olusegun Obasanjo speaking. Okay. Charlie Boy, below the comments, Charlie Boy said that last few days, Tinubu sent 78 men to Obasanjo's house, begging him to reverse Obi's endorsement and turn it to APC. So he said, APC, a free house where Satan makes a decision. Okay? That's on live TV. Tinubu called Obasanjo the greatest election rigger in the history of Nigeria. Okay? So after being called him that name, Obasanjo said he's out right now to show him that when he started playing politics, he was still busy moving drugs from one country to another. This is Obasanjo telling Tinubu. Okay? All right. So, Obasanjo went ahead to say that they should tell Tinubu that Obi is his president and no force in Nigeria can dent that. Man, this man, OBJ, this man is very serious and mean in this very election. He's out, man. he's out more than any other person. If you ask me, he's out. He's fully involved in this very election. He wants to see it happen for good. Eh? At least if that's the way if that's the last thing he will do for this nation, I think it will carry a huge weight on his name. Right? Yes, that's what I think. I think for them to remedize whatever wrong they have did to this country and the people of this country. Well, it's a welcome development. It's good that someone realizes this thing and is willing to help in to change in the positivity of the nation, and he's working towards it tirelessly, fully involved, both his resource, his energy, his time, his involvement in his speech, everything, endorsement. Okay, kudos to OBJ, Olusegun Obasanjo. I hate. Okay, away from that, there has been this bitter complaint coming from Lagos State. The Labour Party officials in Lagos State that went to inspect the INEC materials, the ballot materials that were meant for elections tomorrow, they observed that there was no Labour Party logo or Labour Party present in the ballot paper uh, for the senatorial election tomorrow. You understand? So it has been causing panic. It has been causing a whole lot of you know issues because the Labour Party officials said that this is a deliberate act to disenfranchise people of Lagos State from you know casting in other uh, positions in the elections. You understand? So it was now meant to say that it was only in presidential ballot paper they find the Labour Party logo. Other ones, there was no involvement of Labour Party logos in other candidates for the Senate and House of Representative. So they are calling out INEC on this one because it seems that it is a premeditated act to to deny people from casting their votes for Labour parties in other aspects of the elections. Okay, I think this should be taken note, and proper arrangement should be done immediately to avoid this thing escalating from what it is now. All right, peace out.